There's just so much on, and now that I've got kids myself, there's a lot on for families and for the kids, and I think it's really important for them to keep reading and keep the interest and the excitement around reading.
My favorite type of book is adventure. Dinosaur. Panda. Adventure. I like all the books.
I'd say it's worth a visit. Just, have a look at the programme, see what we think will interest your kids, or pick something that's completely new to them, because it's amazing what they enjoy. And there's so many interactive events, especially like as they get older. There's always something that'll cater for every taste, and there's always coffee to keep you going.
I mean, we walked in and there was like a life-size Pip and Posy, which is little things like that kind of bringing the imagination to life, which is really nice.
I like the book festival because there's a big variety of different things that's going on. It is for everyone really, and everyone's welcome.
I like reading books before bed because it's so I can sleep.
Today was great because we got to learn about the series as well, which we didn't know about. And actually what's also nice is that, there's an emphasis on sort of change and social change within a lot of the books that seem to be around in the festival, so that's really nice as well.
Even if their favourite authors aren't here, they might make new favourite authors down here. I like the book festival because it's so brilliant and there are lots of interesting books. My favourite book is Kitty.
I would say to families to come to the book festival because it inspires children to imagine and maybe read and realize that you can explore new worlds without leaving or playing games or watching TV. Her friend said, "Wait, Julia Donaldson's real?" So, it's just nice for them to be able to make that connection, and the pirate ship.
Definitely come along. There's something for everyone. There's something for all ages, whether you're 1 or 90. It's exciting. You get to meet people that you would never normally meet, and yeah, it's just brilliant.